Hey everybody, Matt Woxler here at Wheels Through Time. Most exciting time of the year here at the museum that runs. We're 1 week away from our annual raffle. In just over a week, one lucky person is going to be riding this 1948 Harley-Davidson Panhead home for the very first time. Bike's entirely hand-built here at the museum. As you guys know, every year we raffle off a machine. It's one of the things that keeps this place going. And of course, this year we've got the black and chromed out, beautiful 1948 Panhead. Hand-built partially by myself and partially by my dad right here at the museum. Just an excellent, excellent machine. As you guys know, 1948, first year of the Panhead. Last year of the Springer fork, you know, Hollywood handlebars, perfect 48 seat done by Heather's Leathers. This thing is decked out with all sorts of accessories and doodads, crash guards, Hansen Sports Shield, beautiful Harley-Davidson spotlights up front. It doesn't get much nicer than this bike. Now, last time we caught up with you guys, we were doing an oil change on this bike, kind of taking you through the service. Today is our very last ride on this motorcycle. So what we're going to do is get this thing fired up, pull it out the front, and head down the road, kind of share the experience of riding a Harley-Davidson Panhead with you guys. So stay tuned. You guys are going to dig what you see. Remember, 1 week away, guys. Make sure you get your tickets and enjoy the ride. Machine, couple that with a 4-speed transmission and just capable motorcycle, ton of fun to ride. Thing, ton of power, it's amazing, runs down the road, shifts incredible. Machine. Oh man, if you doesn't get much better than running down the road on a 1948 Harley-Davidson Panhead. This thing just absolutely does everything that it's supposed to do. You know, when we rebuild a motorcycle here at the museum, especially when we restore a bike for our annual raffle, it's incredibly important that the bike functions and operates just like it's intended to. Bike tracks straight as an arrow down the road, handles incredible, tons of power, great throttle response, the brakes are excellent. I'm just really, really proud of how this one came out. And guys, you can win this thing. It's coming up November 20th. It's going to be here before you know it. We're going to be seeing a brand new owner ride this thing home, hopefully just 7 days away, guys. Make sure you get your tickets today. This is your last chance. Go to wheelsthroughtime.com. Make sure you get tickets today. You can call the museum and order tickets over the phone. Now, November 20th, guys, giving a bike away right around 2 o'clock. Make sure you tune in. If you can't be here in person, check out our live stream on YouTube, live stream on Facebook. 2 o'clock, guys. Big day's coming up fast. We'll see you soon.